This Remax Equity Group property video is presented by Sarah Murray and less than bedroom greater than Lorna Murray. Hurry on this affordable 1,364 square feet. Manufactured home. Home features living, dining, family room off of large kitchen. Wonderful open floor plan that has high vaults. Roof is newer. Carpet in living room is newer. Home has large catio that will remain. The neighborhood is wonderful. The setting is beautiful and peaceful. Park rent includes water and sewer. Washer and dryer included. Small refrigerator and kitchen remains. For more information, review the details below or contact Sarah Murray and less than bedroom greater than Lorna Murray at 503-680-1221.